In this video, I want to show you how I shrink film on the peel board. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Back. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching the channel, subscribing to the channel, engaging with the channel, giving it a thumbs up. I appreciate all that because, you know, once you're doing all that and engaging with the channel, it's, you know, it's showing YouTube that, you know, we're in here, showing YouTube that we're engaging, we're doing some things, and, you know, we're keeping it faded. But in this video, really quickly, I just want to show you guys how I shrink film on the peel board. Now, I won't get into discussion whether or not to shrink or to shrink, but me personally, I like to shrink all my side windows. I feel it just helps give them tension and just helps make it not have fingers or not help pull up moisture when you're installing the film. Now, some people do, some people don't. And also, some people like to remove door panels and some people don't either. It's a personal preference, but you know, I'm just trying to show you guys the way I do it. Now, you can see behind me, I got a piece of film for a front truck window. On the glass here, I'm just gonna show you how I shrink it on the peel board. To me, it's this remove steps of going over here, running back to the vehicle, going back and forth. Once you trace your template, cut out the top, you do everything over here. Now, I've already cut both sides and I cut the bottom already, so that's done. I did the top edge of the film on the truck. So like I said, everything else gets done over here, and the only time I go back to the truck is install the film. So now, what I'm gonna show you, when I shrink on the peel board, basically all I'm gonna do is give a little bit of heat, a little bit of tension on the bottom middle of the film. I don't touch the sides at all. I don't do anything with that. All I do is this heat right in the middle bottom of the film. So I'm gonna show you what I do. It only takes a few seconds. Like if I wasn't doing for the video, I would have had it already done and installed. But I just wanna show you guys what I do and how I do it when I shrink on the peel board. So basically, really all it is you're just putting a little bit of tension on the bottom of the film. Now, to be honest with you, I usually do this with 2 pieces of window film. This is only 1 piece because I'm only replacing the driver's side on this truck, but usually I'm doing with 2 pieces. So honestly, the tension you see in here now might be a little bit more than what you really need because it's a really strong bow in there. But usually when I'm doing with 2 pieces, they're thicker, it doesn't heat up as fast. So I think this will still probably be good to get it installed. But like I said before, all you do is introduce a little bit of heat on the bottom piece of the film. You don't need a lot. All you're gonna do is just tighten it up, and when you install it on the vehicle, it'll create tension on the bottom and the film would slide in, it'll stick right away. So this is kind of what I do when I shrink on the peel board. I know some people like to do it, some people don't, but once you start to do this on the peel board or on your peel wall, once you cut the patterns out, you can just shrink them right away. You don't have to go to the vehicle and shrink them. It saves a lot of time of walking back and forth or setting it up on the vehicle. And like I said, usually I do 2 pieces at one time, so both pieces are done and ready to go and install on the vehicle. Now, I'll do a quick install on this and you guys will see how I've done that. I've done that many times before. I'll install this one really quick and we'll be good to go. But like I said, thanks again to anyone that's watched, subscribed, commented. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, I'll be back with another video. Stay faded. Peace.